Now we're going to show the folding feature of semi-automatic folding. So you can see our crane, it has some extensions out, and we're going to fold it up. So from our remote, we're going to select menu 2, and using the same button, except pushing it forward. So it's going to suck our extension cylinders in. When they're done, we're going to press number 6. And that's confirming that the extension cylinders are in fact all the way in. Now we're going to push the same lever forwards and hold it. We're not going to let it go. See, the crane moves itself around. Takes a second there. Now it's going to fold itself up. Still holding, pushing that one lever. It's going to fold itself right up and now tuck itself down. Still just holding the one button continuously the whole time with constant pressure. And the horn tells us it's now safely and properly stowed. Now you're good to set your outriggers up and hit the road.